When Word checks the spelling of a document, it can either check or ignore words that are in uppercase letters. Here's how to throw the switch that controls this option. Word includes a powerful spell checker that, in most cases, does a pretty good job. If you do quite a bit of technical writing and use a lot of acronyms, you know that most of them are easily flagged as misspelled words. You can make sure that Word ignores uppercase words in any spell check by adjusting just one setting in the program. The first step is to display the Word Options dialog box. Within the dialog box, you want to click on the proofing option here at the left. This is a setting that you want to take note of. Ignore words in uppercase. If this checkbox is selected, then Word ignores uppercase words. If the checkbox is cleared, then uppercase words are spell checked just like everything else. This setting only affects the checking of words where every letter in the word is uppercase. If there is a mixture of upper and lowercase letters within a word, then the setting has no effect. When you have changed this to reflect what you want to have done in the spell checks, then you can go ahead and click on OK, and the change immediately takes effect. The only downside to making this configuration change, of course, is if you use all uppercase for section titles or for other special words. In this case, Word still ignores them since they are uppercase. Make sure that you change the setting of this checkbox based on the type of work that you are doing in your current document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.